Everyone, just here to open up or unbox a small quick release plate and head for a tripod. It's called a Desview. I'll put a link later, either in the comment or in the about section, just so that you can see what it is. I'll put that here. It's so yeah, it's a 38mm quick release plate. It's got a 1/4 and 3/8 screw hole compatible, so you can mount it onto whatever, your ball head or whatever on your tripod or whatever other place you want to mount it. Yeah, so it should be pretty simple. 38mm is probably about it's one of the smaller ones, but this was about the same price as just a decent plate, so I thought I'd get this because I've got multiple small tripods which I'm going to use for phones or GoPros or things like that. I'd use something bigger on a DSLR over this, but this is handy if you've got something small. You don't want something too big when you're carrying smaller tripods. So, okay, that's the plate. Okay, you can see this will unscrew. So you've got your 1/4 in there at the moment, but if you take that out, you'll get a 3/8. This is, yeah, I've got some other plates like this, but this also has the ARRI locating hole that will spring down, so you can still use that on anything if you don't have a hole there. Okay, you're going to have to use a screwdriver to tighten it by the look of it. Screwdriver or Allen key that they give you. I imagine the Allen key is also for getting out this plate. No, actually, no, it's not. So you're going to get that out with a screwdriver or something as well. Anyway, yep, I will give some thoughts on this later. If there's anything odd, I think it's pretty basic. We all probably know what to expect from it. The good thing is with Arca Swiss mounts, you can use any size or any of them, so anything should fit in here. Although again, I wouldn't be putting a large DSLR with big lens or anything and relying on this small amount. I'd use something probably twice the size, but anyway, that's up to you to work out. Yeah, if there's anything else odd or whatever, I'll do an update. But thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.